I think most business owners are solving the wrong problem. They think they need more staff, more assistants, more coordinators, more administrative support. But what they actually have is a systems problem. Because if your business requires multiple people just to move information from one place to another, your operation is already inefficient. Most companies are paying thousands of dollars every month for repetitive administrative labor, checking emails, updating spreadsheets, scheduling calls, sorting leads, sending follow-ups. The problem is that humans are slow at repetitive operational tasks. Humans get tired. Humans make mistakes. Humans become overwhelmed. And eventually, your entire business becomes dependent on operational chaos. So instead of hiring another admin team, I built a single AI agent. To replace a team properly, you first need to understand the functions behind the team. Most administrative departments are really performing 3 core roles. The first role is the gatekeeper. This person filters hundreds of emails and messages every day just to identify the few conversations that actually matter. The second role is the organizer. This is the person updating CRMs, categorizing leads, and keeping operations structured. The third role is the secretary, scheduling meetings, drafting responses, following up with leads, managing communication flow. Now here's what changes everything. AI does not perform these tasks sequentially like humans. It performs them simultaneously, instantly, without burnout, without distraction, without inconsistency. Now let me show you what this actually looks like operationally. Imagine a high-ticket client inquiry arrives late at night. Normally, that email sits untouched until the next morning. Then someone reads it, categorizes it, checks availability, drafts a response, schedules a meeting. Hours are lost before momentum even begins. But with intelligent automation, the entire process happens immediately. The AI reads the intent behind the email. It identifies the client value, checks my calendar availability, creates the correct meeting link, drafts a response in my communication style, and prepares everything before I even wake up. By morning, the lead is already nurtured. That's when I realized something important. I didn't build a chatbot. I built a digital operational assistant. Now this is where most AI businesses completely fail. Their automation sounds robotic, cold, generic, emotionless. And the reason is simple. Most people train AI on tasks. I trained mine on context. I fed the system my previous email history, my communication patterns, my brand guidelines, my luxury communication standards. The AI learned how I think. It learned that I prioritize boutique clients differently. It learned the tone I never use. It learned how I structure authority. That changes everything, because now the communication no longer feels automated. It feels intentional. The real value here is not reducing payroll. That's small thinking. The real value is operational freedom, because founders should not spend their best mental energy buried in repetitive administrative work. They should be thinking strategically, building partnerships, designing systems, creating growth. Most businesses stay small because the founder becomes trapped inside operational maintenance. And once you escape repetitive operational labor, your business starts scaling differently. The future business will not operate with larger administrative teams. It will operate with smaller teams supported by intelligent systems. If you want the exact framework behind this AI admin model, including the prompts, logic, and the team-to-agent transition blueprint, I've documented everything below. Download the guide and start building a business designed for leverage, not operational exhaustion.